Chris Alexander so far, going to everyone that he is Alexander the Great, the third import of Barangay Ginebra this conference at ito pong Barangay Ginebra. Ito po yung mga nakaraan nilang mga naging reinforcement. To 2004, Torrey Brads averaged 25.4 points a ball game, 14 rebounds, and he led the Barangay Ginebra to the championship. At sumunod naman, Jason, si Chris Porter na.
Chris Porter, he was an energy guy, as you can see right there. And he was also solid with his 22 points and 17 rebounds.
Outright semis naman pinuntahan nila dyan. Tapos naman yon, si Rod Neely naman noong 2007 Fiesta Conference. Very impressive numbers, 32 points a ball game and 15 rebounds. Outright quarterfinals naman ang pinuntahan dyan ng Barangay Ginebra. At ito naman si Royal Arrival Chris Alexander. Look at that. More rebounds and points, ha? And 5 block shots.
Those 19 rebounds really turned things around for his team. Remember, yung pinalitan niya, si Ernest Brown, only averaged 10 rebounds a game. And they were about the same size.
Baksak dito si Paul Artadi. Artadi against Lanete. Lanete looking for Darius Rice. Di pa kawala. So si Kirby Raimundo. Nandiyan na naman si Chris Alexander. So ito, nagdadalawang isip na naman si Kirby Raimundo. He attacks the basket.
Yeah, much better para kay Kirby Raimundo this time around. If he has a guy like Chris Alexander, he has to go with a quick move and try to use his quickness against it.
Junti Valenzuela, short jumper, no good. There's James Siak. Bounce pass inside, intended for Kirby Raimundo. Tapped out. 19 seconds the shot clock dito ng Pure Foods PJ Giants. They are down by 2. Ito na si James Siak. Tightly guarded by Junti Valenzuela. Launches a three, in and out. And Ginebra continuing to dominate the rebounding department. Ito yung Paul Artadi. Poste ulit para kay Alexander against Darius Rice. Ito, na-double team na. Ronald Tubit fading away. Uy, papasa pa kay Alexander. Pero napulot pa, di mamaril. And all alone is Chris Alexander.
They reset the shot clock because of that. Dahil nahawakan.
18 points for Chris Alexander. Kirby Raimundo one-on-one against Alexander. Successful siya kanina nung inatake niya but now he pulled up for a jumper.
And you know, that jumper is not really going para dito kay Kirby sa araw na to.
Ito naman, Ronald Tubit for 3. Bang! That's a deal press coming from Ronald Tubit. And he's all pumped up. At nakakaamoy na nga ng magandang pangyayari. Ito si Ronald Tubit. Watch out. Watch this cooperation between the UE Connection, Tubit and Paul Artadi. And a 30-second timeout is called on the floor. I'd like to acknowledge na nanonood sa atin si Mayor Hagedorn of Palawan and Mr. Alfred C. Magkakaroon po ng game ang PBA dyan sa May 31. So thank you very much and your hope that you're enjoying watching the PBA ball games. Ayan po si Chris Alexander. At ito yung makikita natin. Siya po yung nasa ating Revicon Forte. Lakas na di umaayaw moment. Tignan nyo naman ang hustle dyan ni Chris Alexander. At yan ang ating Revicon Forte. Lakas na di umaayaw moment. Atin sa inyo ng Revicon Forte para sa lakas na di umaayaw. Artadi is called for his third personal foul. And itong Pure Foods patuloy pa rin na nag-ahabol dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Here's James Siak. Nawala ng bola. Mapupulot ni Valenzuela. Double dribbling violation ang tinawag dito kay Junti Valenzuela.
But again, that could have been another fast break in the making out of a turnover para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Every time nawawala ng bola, itong Pure Foods, agad tumatakbo. Itong Ginebra already has 16 points out of the fast break compared to only 6 para dito sa Pure Foods.
Ito na, nakita na rin si Darius Rice finally and he knocks down the three-point shot. The impress coming from Darius Rice. 27 points for Darius Rice. Masyadong malakas yung pasa na yun ni Billy Mamaril intended for Chris Alexander.
He didn't have to go to that pass too early. He has to wait hanggang makakuha na ng posisyon Ito si Chris Alexander. You know what you have to do if you're passing from the high post? You have to put that threat, start from the bottom of the court, tapos dali mo sa taas para maipit na yung gwardiya. Ito, Paul Artadi really doing a good job of putting pressure on the point guard. At hirap na hirap ito si Chico Lanete sa kanya.
Kaya nga may dribbling violation naman na tinawag this time kay Chico Lanete. Balik po sa Barangay Ginebra ang bola. Once again, they're looking for Alexander inside. Ito na ngayon si Ronald Tubig. Siya muna ang atake. Wala. Tapigan ng bola. Ends up with James Yap. Yap, cross-court pass to Darius Rice. Another 3-ball on the way. Missing this time. Fast break play para sa Barangay Ginebra. Artadi nagmamadali. Artadi loses possession. Paksak sa sideline.
Again, Ginebra wanting to push the ball. The fine line between running that fast break and being out of control.
Chico Lanete, high screen provided by Villanueva. May down speed para dito kay Darius Rice against Ronald Tubit. Isolated top of the key. Rice makes his move. Rice, hey! He exactly was hammered, but pumasok pa rin eh, no? May magaling na. Swerte pa.
Mukhang matatawagan pa ng technical ang
Oo nga, mukhang ito na sa Pure Foods bench. Tingnan natin kung sino
At masakit yan para sa Pure Foods because they are making headway into the lead of Barangay Ginebra. Tapos matatawagan sila ng technical ngayon.
Ayan, si Coach Ryan Gregorio natawagan ng technical foul. At si Ronald Tubid na nga ang titira ng technical free throw. It's been a highly emotional ball game. Really needing this win. Let's take a look at what happened. Ito yung inaangal nila na kailangan raw may foul. Buti na lang, naipasok pa rin yan itong si Darius Rice.
It's one of the more amazing shots of the conference. Hindi na nakatingin to si Darius Rice sa goal eh.
Valenzuela, nice spin. Nakawala kay Kirby. At yun, sumundot si Kirby eh. So Kirby Raimundo because for his 4th personal foul. And matagal pa to 8 minutes and 38 dito sa ating 4th quarter.
Kirby Raimundo may 4. Roger Yap also has 5. That's why Chico Lanete has to play extended minutes for Pure Foods.
Well, looking at the bench of Pure Foods, ang malaki na lang dyan natitira. Well, Ray Evangelista and maybe Richard Yee.
Actually, Jondan Salvador played a couple of minutes in the first half. Pero since then,
Jondan, oo nga pala, no?
Di na rin natin nakita si Jondan.
Alright, back to a 4-point lead para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. 8.5 remaining here in the 4th quarter. Kirby Raimundo looking for James Yap against Tubit. James Yap behind the back dribble. Yap! Magical shot coming from James Yap. So 2 amazing shots, one after another. One from Darius Rice, this time from James Yap. Iba talaga yung malaki rin yung kamay eh, no? Was able to scoop that one in. And now he'll be rewarded. Isa pa nga. Ayun eh,
From
no?
another angle. It's stretch. Tapos napakagat niya pa yung pektus nung tira na yun.
So nagmintis yung kanyang free throw. So 2-point lead for Barangay Ginebra. Ito na ngayon si Helterbrand. Pumuposte ngayon si Alexander. Rico Villanueva waiting to double team. Cross-court pass tapped away by James Yap. Kirby Raimundo. Lead pass to Darius Rice. Slams it home. 31 big points for Darius Rice. And Darius Rice egging on the crowd of Pure Foods, ang parokya ng Pure Foods. Darius Rice now being the main cheerleader here for the Giants. Really pumped up. And watch this again. Nice lead pass from Kirby Raimundo to Darius Rice. Exclamation point on the part of Darius Rice. really, his job is on the line, as the newspaper says. But with this performance by Darius Rice, he is here to stay for the Pure Foods DJ Giants.